Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you what I received in the premium December Sophie Toffee Elves box, as well as showing you how to make some Kawaii scented perfume bottles using some of the items included. If you would like to learn more about these monthly subscription boxes, then you can check out the info down in the description box below. So like I said, this is the December premium Elves box rather than just the normal one, so it comes with a detailed booklet explaining everything included. So the items we received are a silicone mold, peach and lemon scented oils, wax palettes, dried flowers and fruit, aromatic UV resin, and I got the violet scented one which smells really good, a resin earring making kit, resin mixing sticks, turquoise pearl pigment dye, and a plastic clay kit. So to make the first Kawaii perfume bottle, I'm taking my scented UV resin and a mold which I received in a previous Elves box, which includes this perfume bottle. If you don't have this mold, that's okay, because you can craft one using clay and then make a mold out of it using the plastic clay included, which also doubles as a mold maker once you soften it in hot water. I'm also going to be including the dried flowers in this one. So I firstly poured a thin layer of resin into the mold and then used the resin mixing tools that came in the box to spread it out to the edges. I did this layer so that the flowers weren't directly towards the front of the bottle. Then looking at the curing directions on the packaging, it says to cover the mold with a sheet of clear plastic, which I believe helps to keep the aroma in, so that's what I did before hardening that layer with a UV light. I then filled the rest of the mold up with the aromatic resin and then took the dried flowers that came in my box and then added them in. Once again, I cured the final thing with the plastic sheet over the top and then removed it from the mold. For the next design, I poured out some of the scented resin and then used my pearly turquoise pigment to add some colour. I only added a small drop to mine and then mixed it in using the resin tools again. Next, I poured the mixture into the mould, placed over my plastic sheet and then cured the resin with a UV light. For the final design, I'm taking a piece of regular white paper and trimming it to the size that I want. You'll then have to seal it in so then it doesn't get water spots from the resin. So to do this, I'm adding a clear sticky tape to seal in the paper. Then also trim around the edge, leaving just a little border almost as if you laminated it. I then filled the mold up with resin and slid the paper down to the front of the design, making sure that it was completely covered over. I then cured it and then popped it out of the mold. Now it's time to add the Kawaii faces, so I took my black acrylic paint and added on the eyes using my dotting tool and then painted on the mouth with a needle tool. For the Chanel inspired bottle, I then also painted on the details using my needle tool and then decided to add some cheeks using pink acrylic paint. To dome the pieces and help seal in the paint, I used my regular bottle of UV resin and spread it out to all the edges using the resin mixing tool. To add some extra detail to the turquoise perfume bottle, I also placed in some rhinestones before curing the final layer. And there you have it, that is how you make some Kawaii scented perfume bottles using the supplies from the premium Sophie Toffee Elves box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!